Hi guys! We have shown you the basics to start using our YITH WooCommerce Affiliates plugin, and today we're going to show you how to create a registration page with a registration form that can have custom fields so your users can apply to become affiliates. Before we get into it, let me remind you, of course, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. Okay, great. So on my site, I currently have this registration page. This is a custom registration page. You can create your own registration page or simply add the registration form fields to the default WooCommerce registration form so that all users that create a profile on the site are registered as affiliates. Now, this one was created by us using just simple blocks. We have a title here, paragraph, we have images, so this is something that you can replicate on your own. What we're interested in this video is this registration form. This is super important because this is where customers are going to enter their information and anything you need or want to know from anyone that's applying to become an affiliate on your site, okay? We're going to see how to create this form and the fields that come with it. Let's go over to the dashboard, to YITH, Affiliates, General Options, Affiliates Registration. So here the first title we have is Registration Form. This is where we can add, remove, change the fields that we just saw in the registration form on my registration page. We have the name column where we can see the name. We have the type column, we have text, email, password, we're going to see that in just a minute. We have label, which is the label that the users are going to see. Here you can see if this was marked as required or not. And here we have the option to choose whether to activate the fields in the form or not. So maybe you created a field that you thought was necessary, but you just decided it wasn't anymore, or you don't want that information anymore. You can simply check this as a no, but let's keep that as it was. And you'll see that there are some fields that you cannot modify. Some fields are protected, okay? So you cannot modify the name, whether they are required or not, and whether they are active or not on the form. So first thing we're going to do is see how we can create a new field. So we're going to click here on Add a Field, and we're going to just add a random field. So we're going to just name this test field. So here's the field type. If we expand here, we're going to see all of these options available to create our new fields. So we have text, email, password, phone, a lot of options here, checkbox, select, country, state, date. You can choose any of these. You can create your own fields. I'm going to create a text field right here. The field label is going to be text field instead of test field. This one is the one that is going to be shown to users. Error message, in case something went wrong while filling in the form, we can simply add this error message to catch the user's eye. We have CSS classes label. We're not going to add anything here. So for validation, we have plain text, email, phone, URL. In this case, we just need to validate plain text. Then we have an option to also show this in the affiliate dashboard, to show it in the Become an Affiliate form, and to make it mandatory. We're not going to touch any of these options, but we're going to click on Add a Field to the form. Here's the field right here. We're going to save options. And let's check out that new field. So we're going to refresh the site. Great, so here's my new text field. If you remember, I named it test field for my own sake while creating the field, but the label that I chose was text field. So this is what the users are going to see. And of course, it's not mandatory. I didn't make it mandatory, so it doesn't have these right here. Now, this was added to the bottom of this form because it was the last option I added. But we can choose where we want to show each field, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's go back to the dashboard. So these are all our fields, the ones that are active and the ones that are not, but they are the ones that were created, okay? This one was the last one I created. I have my name text field, but the label text field, as I have just shown you. And we can move this around by just clicking here and dragging this field wherever we want to, and then dropping it. I'm putting it here on top of all of the other fields, so we're going to save this. And let's go see it on the side. Refresh. Great. So the text field is not here anymore. It's right here on top of the other fields. Now let's go back to the dashboard once again to see all the other options that we have available in the affiliates registration tab. We're going to scroll down, and the first option we can see right here is the option to add the registration form fields to the default WooCommerce registration form, okay? This is super useful in case you want users to also become affiliates when they register on the site. Then we have the registration options, the option to automatically approve affiliates. We're going to keep this option disabled, but if you enable this, basically anyone that applies to become an affiliate is going to become an affiliate without the need for you to accept or reject each application. Then we have the option to send an email to the admin when a new affiliate registers on the site, an affiliate account changes status, an affiliate's account is banned. This is super useful for anyone that wants to stay up to date to anything that's happening regarding affiliates in his site. Then we have the option to send an email to an affiliate when his or her account was registered successfully, his or her account changed status, his or her account was banned. And then we have an option to associate all commissions to new users with the same token. So if there was pre-existing commissions for that token, they will be assigned to the affiliate automatically. There's an option to set a default message for rejected affiliates. This is good in case you don't want to take the time to write a message every time you reject an affiliate. Perhaps you have a lot of affiliate applications and you don't want to do that. If you don't enable this, you are going to be able to write a custom message for every user that is rejected. We have the same option here for banned affiliates. You can send a default message to all banned affiliates, or you can send custom messages to every user you ban. And finally, we have the option to hide specific sections of the affiliate dashboard to banned affiliates. If you enable this option, you're going to see that you can choose the sections that you want to hide, and you have the sections right here to choose from. Let's keep this disabled. We're going to save options, and I'm going to show you how to add this form to a custom page so you can have your registration page with a registration form. Basically, you're going to be able to add this registration form either by adding this shortcode right here or by adding the Gutenberg block. So we're going to copy this right here, this shortcode, and we're going to go to Pages, Add New. Let's just give this page a simple title, Affiliate Registration Page. I'm going to add right here a shortcode. I'm going to paste the shortcode here, and we're going to publish this. Let's see that page. There we go, affiliate registration page, and here is my registration form that I added just using the shortcode that was provided by the plugin. Here I have the text field that we created just minutes ago and the rest of the fields. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to show you the other way to add this registration form to the page. Let's remove this, and we're going to click here, and let's look for YITH affiliates. Okay, so here we have the YITH affiliates registration form. This is a Gutenberg blog. We have the YITH affiliates dashboard and the YITH affiliates link generator. We're going to choose this one. Since this is a Gutenberg block, it is automatically added here. We can just see it before we go to the page. We're going to update this. Let me go back to that page. I'm going to refresh, and of course I get the same result. The registration form right here with all of the fields that I have enabled. Now I'm going to try to register as an affiliate. I'm going to add random information here. Register. Great. So once you try and register as an affiliate, you're going to get this message, okay? It says thank you. Your request has been registered and it is awaiting the administrator's approval. You will get an email soon. So this is already letting me know that I'm going to get an email with the answer to my application. And if I go back to the dashboard and we go to YITH, affiliates list, we can see all of the affiliates applications we have had with their names, their payment method, their IDs, token, rate, earnings, balance, conversion rate, and status. If you click here on the name, you're going to access this section where you can see details about that specific affiliate. We don't have anything yet, but here you could see earnings, paid, refunds, active balance, last affiliate commissions, payments, associated users, options right here, more information right here. You can even see when the user applied to become an affiliate. And here's the referral link generator. We're going to go back to the affiliates list, and here you have the status. We have 2 with the accepted status, so they are already affiliates of my site, and my recent application is pending. Okay, so if I click here, we have these options. We have the option to view commissions, the option to enable the affiliate, the option to reject the affiliate, and the option to ban the affiliate. We also have the option to process orphan commissions. So, since I didn't enable the option to automatically accept affiliates, I'm going to have to accept or reject every single application in this dashboard, okay? If you enable the option to automatically accept affiliates, you're going to be seeing all of the new affiliates with the accepted status. Okay guys, that's how you can customize the registration form and create your own registration page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and we'll meet again for our next video.